Once upon a time, in the bustling realm of generator maintenance, there were a series of annoying yet amusing challenges that every technician seemed to face. It was a world where spark plugs had a mysterious way of vanishing into parallel dimensions, leaving their human counterparts on an epic quest to find them. One day, a seasoned technician named Alex found himself in the midst of a battery-blame game. The generator batteries, notorious for their impeccable timing, chose the most inconvenient moments to die, usually right before a critical deadline or in the middle of a planned celebration. Fueling the generator was another adventure. No matter how careful Alex was, the fuel tank always seemed to conspire against him, splashing diesel or gasoline onto his clothes. It was as if the generator wanted to give him a designer fragrance of fuel. The oil leak was another story. Like a mischievous sprite, the generator would mark its territory with mysterious oil puddles. Alex often wondered if the generator had a personality of its own, one that relished in causing him extra work. And then there was the manual, an ancient tome written in a language that seemed like a mix of technical jargon and ancient dialect. Deciphering its contents required either a translator or a magical incantation, leaving Alex feeling like a wizard on a quest for hidden knowledge. The tool tangle added another layer of complexity to his daily routine. The specific tool Alex needed was always buried under a mountain of other tools, turning a simple maintenance task into a treasure hunt. Generators also had a peculiar sense of timing, affectionately known as the "why now" syndrome. They love to develop issues right before a big storm or during a critical power outage, adding a touch of drama to Alex's life. Temperature tantrums were another quirk of these machines. They seemed to hold a personal vendetta against extreme weather, choosing the hottest summer day or the coldest winter night to throw a fit, just to keep things interesting. Maintenance tasks often required Alex to contort himself into awkward positions, making him feel like a yoga instructor balancing tools and parts. The tight spaces in which he had to work added an element of physical comedy to his daily grind. And let's not forget the muffler mischief. The muffler always managed to be the last thing on Alex's checklist, covered in a layer of grime that required an archaeological dig to clean. Despite these little annoyances, Alex knew that keeping the generators well-maintained ensured they were ready when needed most. As he cleaned, tightened, and replaced parts, he couldn't help but chuckle at the absurdities of his job, appreciating the humor in the quirks of generator maintenance. And so, in the world of generator upkeep, Alex became a legend, not just for his skills, but for his ability to find laughter in the most annoying tasks. Because sometimes, it's the funny little annoyances that make the journey all the more memorable. Lesson learned from Alex's adventures in generator maintenance: embrace the humor. Finding humor in the little annoyances of life can make even the most challenging tasks more bearable and enjoyable. Patience and persistence are key. Even when tasks seem daunting or tools go missing, persistence pays off. Adaptability, flexibility, and adaptability are crucial. Unexpected challenges like "why now" syndrome require quick thinking and readiness to adapt. Attention to detail is important, whether it's maintaining equipment, deciphering a manual, or ensuring everything is running smoothly. Teamwork and communication. Effective communication and teamwork can make a significant difference in tackling maintenance challenges together. Positive attitude. Maintaining a positive attitude can turn frustrating moments into opportunities for laughter and learning. Preparedness. Always being prepared for the unexpected, especially with essential supplies and tools, can prevent bigger issues down the line. By embracing these lessons, anyone can become a legend in their own right, just like Alex, finding joy and success even in the most mundane of tasks.